Look, these are all the items you're gonna need. Make sure that you get full synthetic. Look, advanced full synthetic. That's my mom's dog. So you need oil, filter, some jack stands, a jack. You don't need that, but I just have it just in case. And you definitely need something to throw the oil in. You need to first jack the car. And there are these jacking points down here. You need to find them. You can find them in the menu of your car. This is a song for my haters. Yeah, you got me feeling like the greatest. Alright, so now you can see I jacked the car up. Make sure you put some jack stands on there just to be safe. And I'm gonna show you the little window that we need to get to. You guys see this little window right here? This one right there. This one right here. Just need to turn this and then pull it out. I want you guys to be able to see what I'm doing. Oh, I was going the wrong way. Just turn this little thing. Beep. Once this falls out, just take it out. Oh, now you can see. This is the bolt. Just grab whatever you fucking have. Check if you have anything that fits. So let me try 17 before I fucking strip it. Yeah, it's 17 fits in there too. Fits way better too. Alright, it's a 17 actually. And if the bolt's like really hard to turn and you don't want to strip it, you can see that I'm stripping it. I'm gonna need to order a new one soon. But what you could do is turn on the car, let it warm up, and then redo it. Alright, so I'm gonna be honest, because you know I'm always honest with you guys. I had to go ahead and drive the car and get it warmed up. I think I got it. Alright, well that took forever. I even got cut. But I got it. That was a bitch. I'll go ahead and just start fucking removing this then. See this shit? I gotta get a new bolt. That one's stripped, and I got a little cut on my hand. Like, fuck. It's almost off already. It's already dripping and shit. But that's it. You just gotta get the screw out, get all the oil in this little pan to collect it, and then you're pretty much done. Fucking bitch. I'll clean everything in a bit. So as you see, I fucked up and spilled a lot of oil. Not only did I just do that, and I lost the drain plug, so I had to go buy another one. And BMW or these fucking cars, you can't just go and buy the drain plug. You have to go and like order them from BMW. Luckily I was able to find one. I'm gonna try it, see if it fits. If it doesn't, I'm fucked because I had no clue where it went. Let's hope it fits. If it doesn't, I'm fucked. Oh, it fit. Oh, thank God. Alright. It fit, guys. Now my mom's gonna kick my fucking ass because I spilled all this oil. Hopefully I find the old one though. I fucking lost it. Alright guys, make sure you place the fucking drain plug where you know it's gonna be. Unlike me, I fucking lost it. The good thing was that the other one was stripped already, so this is fucking good. The drain plug is now in. Now I just got to change the filter. So basically this is where the filter is. So what you got to do is just grab it, turn it. I already got it loose, so that's why it's like that already. But just put a little muscle to it and you'll be fine. Just remove it just like that. Throw it away. Now this is the new filter I'm putting in. I would suggest you guys use the regular brand. This is the new filter. And what you gotta do is make sure you get this though. Make sure they do give this to you. Now, you gotta open it. Don't spill anything or don't lose anything like I always do. You guys don't understand that drain plug. I was looking for it for over an hour. Never found it. So I was pretty pissed off. Is this the thing right here? Okay. Whatever. So what you gotta do is there's this gasket right here. Just put this in here. Just like this. Pop it off. Just like that. Oh shit, I'm spilling oil. Go ahead, grab the new one. I'll just dip it in this oil. That's what I do. Just get it oiled up. The whole thing, just like that. Try to put it right back where it was. It's not that hard. Just like this. Stretch it over. There it goes, there it goes. There it goes. Just pop it in to its place. Now I've never changed this one, so I think it's the same shit. There you go. Just remove that one. Put in the new one. These are kind of hard to get on. Don't want to lose this either though, so make sure you pay close attention as you're doing this one. There you go, it's on. Same shit, put the filter in. Just like that. Put the filter back in. Get this motherfucker right in there. We might have some oil just spilling over, but fuck that shit, dog. Gotta get it in there. That's it. It's all the way down. Just clean it up. And it's time to just fill it right back up. Guys, I wasted about $100 just to do this oil change today. So I don't have enough money to buy a funnel anymore. Maybe if you guys subscribe, oh fuck. That's what I get for trying to rush. Now the card does say to put like 6.5 quarts. Well, you know what I'm talking about. You gotta put 6.5, so I'm just gonna put like half of this. Let me see where we at. A little more. Then if I see that my car needs more oil, I'll just put more oil in it. It's always better to put more oil in than have too much in it, because if you have too much, you have to go, you know, take off the drain plug, and that's a bitch. But overall, that's pretty much it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and try to turn it on. Remove all this shit though. Alright, let's see. We'll let it sit for a minute, let that oil just fall in place or whatever. You don't have to do this, I'm just doing it because I feel like maybe the oil just circulated just a bit right there. Just let everything get wet again, nice and lubricated. And alright, so I'll just show you right now how to like figure out how much oil is in your car, because you do have to do that. So you use this little thing right here. You go all the way down to the oil, you click it in, and then it'll tell you if you're good or not, and it says okay. And that's pretty much it. I mean, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.